When a vehicle breaks down, every minute matters. But without a system, managing on-spot service becomes chaotic. Delays, miscommunication, and lack of visibility lead to lost time and unhappy customers. Now imagine every field operation connected in real time. Every service request is logged instantly with complete details and location. Jobs are assigned to the right technician based on availability and proximity. Technicians reach customers faster with clear directions and job details. Inspections are captured digitally with photos and service details. Estimates are created instantly on-site with accurate pricing. Customers approve work digitally without delays. Repairs and services are completed on the spot without unnecessary back and forth. If needed, towing and workshop follow-ups are managed seamlessly. Every job is tracked in real time from request to completion. Invoices are generated instantly and payments are collected on-site. Track your entire field team, jobs, and performance from one dashboard. More jobs completed per day, less idle time, faster service. Deliver faster response and better customer experience. Increase technician productivity and maximize revenue from every field visit. Moiboo brings speed, control, and efficiency to mobile service operations.